Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.